Most Toyota owners believe their car is simple, reliable, and easy to live with. And that's true. But what many drivers don't realize is that modern Toyota vehicles include a surprising number of features and smart systems that are already built in, yet rarely used or properly understood. Not because Toyota hides them, but because no one ever explains when to use them, how to activate them, and what they actually do in real driving situations. In this guide, we'll walk step by step through the Toyota features you already have, showing you where to find them, how to turn them on, when they are useful, and what mistakes most drivers make. Backhand index pointing right before we continue. Subscribe to the channel. It's free for you, but it allows us to keep creating practical guides that explain the technology you already paid for. No upgrades, no gimmicks. Let's start with one of the most misunderstood systems in modern Toyotas, drive modes. Toyota drive modes are not just labels like normal, eco, or sport. They change throttle response, steering feel, transmission behavior, and in hybrid models, how the electric motor and engine work together. Normal mode balances everything. Eco mode reduces throttle sensitivity and optimizes air conditioning to save fuel. Sport mode sharpens response and holds gears longer. In some models, EV mode allows short electric-only driving at low speeds. Most drivers leave the car in normal forever. The correct way to use these modes is situational. Eco mode works best in city traffic and steady cruising. Sport mode is useful for highway merging, overtaking, or mountain roads. EV mode should be used only when battery charge is sufficient and speeds are low. Using the right mode improves comfort, efficiency, and component longevity. Next comes Toyota Safety Sense, a package many owners have but don't fully understand. It includes adaptive cruise control, lane assist, pre-collision braking, and road sign recognition. Adaptive cruise control maintains distance from the vehicle ahead and can slow the car to a stop in traffic. To use it properly, activate cruise control, then adjust the following distance. Toyota allows multiple distance settings, and choosing the right one is key. A longer distance feels smoother and safer in traffic. A shorter distance is better for highways. Lane Tracing Assist is another feature often misunderstood. It works best on highways with clear lane markings and steady traffic. It gently helps keep the car centered, but is not designed for sharp curves or construction zones. Treat it as assistance, not automation. Keep your hands on the wheel and let the system reduce fatigue. Pre-collision braking is always active in the background. Many drivers never realize how advanced it is. It detects vehicles, pedestrians, cyclists, and in some models, intersections. If the system warns you, it's not a failure, it's giving you time to react. If braking happens automatically, it means the system detected a real risk. The most common mistake is disabling warnings because they feel intrusive. Instead, adjust sensitivity if your model allows it. Now let's move to hybrid technology, an area where Toyota leads, but many owners don't take full advantage. Toyota hybrids are designed to work automatically, but understanding them improves efficiency. In city driving, smooth acceleration allows the electric motor to do more work. Hard acceleration forces the engine to start. Regenerative braking works best when you brake gently and early. Using the brake smoothly increases battery recharge and reduces wear on brake pads. Many hybrid owners worry when the engine turns on and off frequently. This is normal behavior. The system is optimizing efficiency and battery health. The mistake is trying to control it manually. Let the system do its job and focus on smooth driving. Inside the cabin, Toyota infotainment systems hide useful settings that most drivers never open. Driver profiles allow you to save seat position, mirror angles, and sometimes climate preferences. If more than one person drives the car, setting profiles once saves daily frustration. Voice control is another underused feature. You can change temperature, make calls, or set navigation without touching the screen. This reduces distraction and keeps your eyes on the road. Voice commands work best when spoken naturally rather than rigidly. Now let's talk about automatic start-stop, a feature many drivers dislike. Toyota's system shuts off the engine at stops to save fuel. It works best in long stops and city traffic. Disable it temporarily when stuck in stop-and-go congestion, extreme heat or cold, or when you need constant engine response. The key is to use it intentionally, not fight it. Parking assistance is another feature many owners ignore. Toyota's cameras and sensors provide multiple views, but most drivers never switch them. Front camera helps with curbs. Side views help in narrow spaces. 360-degree view, if available, reduces blind spots dramatically. Learn to activate camera views manually rather than relying on default behavior. Your Toyota key fob also hides useful functions. Some models allow remote window opening, remote engine start, or trunk opening without touching the key. These features are often disabled by default and must be activated in vehicle settings. Using remote start correctly helps precondition the cabin in extreme temperatures. Now let's address dashboard warning lights, a major source of anxiety. Not all warnings mean a problem. Yellow lights usually indicate a system limitation or condition, such as sensors blocked by dirt, rain, or snow. Cleaning the windshield area and front sensors often resolves the issue. Red warnings indicate serious issues and should never be ignored. The tire pressure warning is one of the most misunderstood alerts. It doesn't tell you which tire is low. It tells you that pressure differs from the stored value. After inflating tires to the correct pressure, you must reset the system. Otherwise, the warning may stay on. Hybrid system warnings often appear after extreme temperatures, short trips, or heavy loads. Many disappear after normal driving. If a warning repeats consistently, then it's time for inspection. Here's a useful habit. When a warning appears, note the conditions. Was it cold, rainy, or after washing the car? Many warnings are environmental, not mechanical. Now let's move to the bonus features most Toyota owners never discover. Some Toyotas automatically lock doors when walking away, but only if activated in settings. Automatic high beams can be enabled to improve night visibility without blinding others. Battery protection systems shut down accessories to prevent discharge, especially after short trips. Some models allow customization of steering or brake feel through hidden menus. And in certain vehicles, holding specific buttons reveals system information useful for diagnostics. Toyota's strength is not flashy technology, but smart, reliable systems designed to work quietly in the background. But quiet technology is easy to ignore, and that's why so many owners never use what they already have. Now you know the Toyota features you already own and how to actually use them. Backhand Index Pointing Right, subscribe to the channel if you want more step-by-step guides for Ford, Chevrolet, Honda, Tesla, and other top-selling brands in America. Drive smarter, stay calm when warnings appear, and start using the technology already inside your car.